It is a very simple tutorial on how to record multiple tracks in Audacity. You can press R on the keyboard or press this red button to start recording. To record in multiple tracks, you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift-R. I have no tracks yet, so I will click this red button. You see a new track has appeared and the recording has started. To start recording in another track, you must stop the current recording. Now there are two ways to record in another track. The first one is the keyboard shortcut Shift-R. You see recording started in a new track as I pressed Shift-R. Second way is to add a new track from Tracks, Add New. Choose either mono track or stereo track. I will choose mono. A new track appeared and notice a yellow border around it. This yellow border means this track is now selected for recording. If you do not see that border, click on the start of the new track. As mine is selected, I will press record and recording started. You can start recording from a different point in the timeline. Of course, you can drag any track to adjust. I am showing you how to start recording from a different point. Add a new track and then click on the point from where you want to record. For example, I want from this point, so I click here. And now the recording started. I have made this tutorial based on some feedback on my YouTube channel. If multi-track recording does not work on your device, you can do three things. Close Audacity and reopen or restart the device. If still does not work, install Audacity again. Still, if it does not work, post on the Audacity forum giving detailed information. I have a detailed tutorial on multi-track editing, and please check that on the screen. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next. Please comment on what Audacity tutorial you would like to see next.